Tired of photographing flowers and plants in cramped photo booths with wrinkled backgrounds and annoying spots? Introducing MagicBOX, the ultimate photo studio for capturing the beauty of nature, proudly made in the Netherlands. With its compact design and diffuse LED lighting, the MagicBOX allows you to take professional-looking images without any shadows. The special daylight illumination ensures that the products are showcased with their natural colors, providing a true representation. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to clean. Remove any dirt or dust effortlessly. Using just your smartphone or DSLR camera, you can capture high-quality images without the need for any additional software. Whether you're a florist or own a flower shop, the MagicBOX can help you capture a true essence of your floral arrangements. Say goodbye to messy backdrops and hello to professional images that truly showcase your blooms. For plant growers and nurseries, the MagicBOX is your best friend for capturing the uniqueness of each plant. Show off their textures, shapes, and colors, attracting potential buyers with stunning visuals. And for those who love decorating with large plants and stunning vases, the MagicBOX ensures that you capture their elegance with ease. Perfect for showcasing your beautiful arrangements on your website or social media platforms. Don't settle for mediocre images. Upgrade to the MagicBOX today and watch your conversion rates soar. Say goodbye to wrinkled backgrounds, irritating spots, and messy studios. MagicBOX, your key to professional quality plant and flower photography.